lower limb. So there is the one revision. There is the abdominal aorta. It is dividing into two arteries. It is going to the iliac fossa. This is the iliac fossa. So these are common iliac artery. Now it is dividing into two. One is going inside the pelvic cavity. So this is our internal iliac artery. What is the name? Can you tell me? Internal iliac artery. Now this artery is going outside the pelvic cavity. So this is the external iliac artery. This external iliac artery is running in the femur area. So this is the femoral artery. What is the name? Femoral artery. Now this femoral artery is going back in the popliteal fossa. The fossa behind the knee joint. Popliteal fossa. So that is the popliteal artery. What is the name? Popliteal artery. Now this popliteal artery is running at tibia region. In front of the tibia. Anterior tibial artery. What is the name? Anterior tibial artery. It is very simple. Anterior to the tibia. Anterior tibial artery. Artery behind the tibia. Posterior. Posterior means behind. Posterior tibial artery. This anterior tibial artery is running at the dorsum of the foot. Dorsum of the foot, that's why dorsalis pedis artery. What is the name? Dorsalis pedis artery. The posterior tibial artery will run at the plantar area. On the plantar area, plantar arteries. Medial side of the plantar area, medial plantar artery. Lateral side of the plantar area, lateral plantar artery. Again, revision. Again, revision. Can you speak with me? Abdominal aorta, then common iliac artery, then internal iliac, external iliac. The arterial supply of the lower limb. External iliac artery, it will run in the femur area. Femoral artery. Then popliteal artery. Then anterior tibia, posterior tibia. Then dorsalis pedis. And then posterior tibial artery in the plantar area. Medial plantar, lateral plantar. That's it. Now clinical anatomy. Yes, there is the atherosclerosis of the blood vessel. Atherosclerosis. Athero means liquid. Oma means mass. Sclerosis means hardening. So due to the liquid mass, there is a hardening of the blood vessel. This is known as atherosclerosis. There is a blockage of the blood vessel. We are doing smoking. We are drinking the alcohol. So remember the clinical anatomy. SAD. SAD factor. SAD, SAD. These are the root of many diseases nowadays. S for smoking. A for alcohol. These are the SAD factor. And D for diet. Yes. So these are the SAD factor. These are the factors for maximum of the diseases nowadays. Okay. So due to this smoking, alcohol, diet, the femoral vessels, popliteal vessels, the anterior posterior, dorsalis pedis artery, these are blocked. So there is a ischemia. There is a blockage of this artery. So there is a necrosis, gangrene. Yes, there is a diabetes foot. This all the situation we will read in the clinical. So that's it. Thank you for your precious time. Thank you so much. Any doubt? Thank you so much. My best wishes and many blessings from the God side, from all of us. Thank you. Thank you so much for your precious time.